Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable high performance mode on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now you have two options to enable high performance mode on your smartphone. Now for the first option, just open settings, then go to battery. From here, just tap on power saving. Now to enable high performance mode, just disable this toggle. And once you disable this toggle, you will not limit the CPU speed to 70% when you use the power saving mode. Now for the second option, just go back, then go to advanced features. From here, just tap on game booster settings, then tap on game optimization. From here, just select performance. Now once you select performance mode, you will increase the performance of your smartphone when you're playing games on your smartphone. And this is how you can enable high performance mode on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.